Alright gang, I'm here with a quick one. I got my 96 Les Paul Studio, which is a sweet instrument that I've used kind of for punk and rock in the 90s, and then it kind of sat in storage for 20 years while I was using acoustic guitars and sort of jazz guitars. So I pulled it out recently, and man, it feels so good to play. So I've just been kind of tweaking on it. I changed some of the tone capacitors. I changed the volume pots to 500K. They were 300. The difference of that is interesting. So it gets a little bit quieter and it gets a little bit louder. And there's a bigger sweep for whatever that's worth. Interesting. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to change out this 498T bridge humbucker for a Lindy Fralin P90. Which is in this box here, just arrived. I've swapped out these two volume pots. They were 500K CTS, but it turned out what I really wanted was the sort of low friction, the way that the original knobs were. So I got these Bourne's 500K long shaft with low friction. I've swapped out the treble side, the bridge tone cap for this MOD. It's an oil cap, 0.022. I was going with this, I think this is 037 or 038. It's a paper and oil Guzman 039. So this sounded pretty cool. It was a little bit of a kind of a nasally EQ spot. I think if I don't like the 022, I might try an 047, like this right here. But I want this pickup to be bright, so I'm going with the 22 here. All right, and this is the cable from the new Lindy Fralin pickup, so it's grounded and it's connected to the lug. Everything else kind of the same. Let's try it. So I figured I'll do a little before and after. I can't use a looper because it's coming right out of the guitar, so I'm just going to try to play the same thing, and I'll leave the settings on the amp, and I'll just go all the way up on the guitar here. Pickup works.